10 Essential Usability Heuristics for Effective UI/UX Design. In the world of UI/UX design, creating intuitive and user-friendly experiences is paramount. To achieve this, designers often rely on a set of principles known as usability heuristics. These heuristics serve as guidelines to help designers identify and address potential usability issues in their interfaces. We will explore 10 essential usability heuristics that can greatly enhance the usability of your UI/UX designs. Visibility of system status. Users should always be aware of what is happening within the system. Provide clear and timely feedback, such as progress indicators or loading animations, to keep users informed about the system's current state. Match between system and the real world. Design interfaces that speak the language of your users. Use familiar terminology, icons, and metaphors that align with users' mental models, making it easier for them to understand and navigate your interface. User control and freedom. Allow users to easily undo or redo actions. Provide clear and accessible navigation options, such as breadcrumbs or an intuitive back button, so users can explore and navigate your interface without feeling trapped. Consistency and standards. Maintain consistency throughout your interface by following established design patterns and standards. Consistent placement of elements, such as navigation menus or buttons, helps users develop a mental model of your interface, reducing cognitive load. Error prevention. Design interfaces that minimize the occurrence of errors. Use validation techniques, such as real-time form validation or confirmation dialogues, to prevent users from making mistakes and provide clear instructions on how to rectify them if they do occur. Recognition rather than recall. Minimize the need for users to remember information by providing visual cues and aids. Use clear labels, icons, and visual hierarchy to make important information easily scannable and accessible. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Design interfaces that cater to both novice and expert users. Provide shortcuts, customizable settings, and advanced features that allow experienced users to streamline their interactions, while still providing a straightforward experience for beginners. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Strive for simplicity and elegance in your UI designs. Remove unnecessary clutter and distractions, focusing on the core functionality and content. Use white space effectively to create a visually pleasing and balanced interface. Help in documentation. While the goal is to create interfaces that are intuitive and self-explanatory, it's important to provide help and documentation when needed. Include contextual tooltips, inline help, or a comprehensive user manual to assist users in understanding complex features or workflows. Error recovery. Even with the best design, errors can still occur. Ensure that your interface provides clear error messages that explain the problem and suggest possible solutions. Offer users a way to recover from errors without losing their progress or data. Conclusion. By incorporating these 10 usability heuristics into your UI design process, you can greatly enhance the usability and user experience of your interfaces. Remember, usability is not a one-time effort but an ongoing process of iteration and refinement. Continuously test and gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement and create interfaces that truly delight and empower your users.